So I take this test strip and I put the little wires, those are wires, and I put them in here like this. And then it turns on.
In the meter? Okay.
The meter turns on. Then I cock this back, which it's already cocked back. And then I take it and the side of my finger like this. And we'll do the side of this one. And we press a little button on the side here and we go. Oh, I did it backwards. It's on this side. I poked this hand.
Okay. It's okay. Is it bleeding over here on this hand?
No, it's not.
Oh, because if it is, you could use that.
I know. I know we're going to take it just like this. I shot it at myself. We just hold it like this and we press the button.
Poor thing.
And then I see a little bit of blood coming out. So we're going to take a little bit of this blood and we're going to dip this little tip thing right here into the blood. And it should suck the blood up just like that.
That's cool.
And now it's reading it.
We have it upside down.
Okay. Now it's reading it. See my little blood? That's my blood sample right there.
That's good reading.
See, it's 117.
Good job, honey.
Okay.